this view. Weapon of choice. Sick. First cast in. Look at this place, eh? Let's see if we can catch a fishy. Oh, I got whacked, dude. That was nuts. Whew. Okay, kind of dangerous. I got whacked. Look at this place. I'm going for it. Something's here. Boom. Whew. Yep. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh man, that was sick. That was a sick one. Yes, my boy! Chahoo! Yeah! Let's go, baby! Let's go! Oh! Shoot! How is that Buggah? Okay, let's go somewhere safe. This place is sketch, dude. This place is so sketch. I am so stoked right now. Okay, one down. Let's go for a white. Bruh. Come on, let's go back to camp. I was over there. Crazy. That was a fun fight, dog. That was a fun fight. Wow, you guys couldn't hear me?
No, I just heard you. Yeah!
Bro, look at that.
I think that's after you brought him up already.
Bro, I got whacked once. I was like, okay. I got whacked once, I'll just try again. And then it bit again, like super close.
Bro, look at that.
Yeah! The most beautiful fish in the world, baby. Oh, how's the? That's small, but yeah, I'll take it.
Nice.
Woo! Take it off, man.
Nice. It's big.
Woo! Woo!
Ah.
Yes, my boy. Off the macro duo rough trail. Look at this hook set. Where is it? Oh, this guy. Dude, I yanked this guy up. I didn't care. 60-pound mono. 40-pound braid. Oh, yeah, that guy wasn't coming off. Woo! Beautiful fish. Think I'm done for the day. This guy just got bled. Meat's gonna be nice. And let's take this bugger home, baby. Papillo, baby. Papillo. Gotta be. Whoa! What is that? Bro, he almost got... Dude, that's the biggest triggerfish I ever seen.
Whoa, dude. I thought I was stuck.
Is that a triggerfish? Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is.
Whoa, I never seen one like that before.
God damn, dude.
Oh, Jordan!
I thought I was stuck the whole time.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's a monster. Changed it to small game. So far we got this little guy. Oi, oi. Off the companion. Ew. I don't know. I'll just try go for some papillos if get. And if no more we go home. Happy though today. Was kind of good. Bro, the fight was insane. So, these haul, one trigger fish, different kind. Look at this guy though. This one's nice. It's blue.
Stick it lying.
Look at this guy. Look at all these blues. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, buddy. How's this Buggah? Ew. Beautiful. So, the best part of fishing is fishing, of course. And sometimes you gotta give. So we're just gonna cut one fillet up and we're gonna deliver a fillet to my master. We got two fillets, or just one side of the fish. Cut this Buggah. Let's do this then. Chiropractor. Woo, what is this? Oh.
12 seconds later.
Liver. Man, look at all that meat on this guy. All the meat on these, the collars, the head meat. Ooh, that's the best part. They got some cheek meat. They'll probably use this for some soup. So yep.
That's theirs right there.
Yeah. Got this head. If it can fit in the bag.
Yeah, check push that.
Raja. Then we got these boneless fillets. Woo!
For there.
Yeah.
Wait, that's the one whole piece right there.
This one side.
With the other side.
Woo! That's a good meal. And then for us, we just get this on. Okay, fish delivery complete. And Gyotaku update after like a month and a half of waiting for the fish and then getting it framed. It's finally here. Oh, buddy, look at this. Look at this guy. Ew. Awesome. Sonny eating dinner. Oh yeah, baby. Stickers. Okay, today's been a long day. A good day. And thank you for embarking with me on this journey, but part of the journey's in. Till next time.